The company moved into robotics to ensure quality, to reduce dependence on unionized unskilled labor, and to increase production flexibility. For many of the same reasons, Fiat also invested heavily abroad, including Eastern Europe. Fiat also used the new technology to revive a flagging new investment, the Alfa Romeo company. In 1987, Fiat took control of the Alfa, the last Italian car company outside its control. Alfa had been in dire straits since its quality image had been tarnished by the failure of the Alfa Sud line. By applying its robotics technology to Alfa's production lines, Fiat managed to return Alfa Romeo to the prestige car sector of the market. The first and foremost offering was the Alfa 164, which came to vie with Mercedes-Benz and BMW in the European luxury class. By the end of the 1980s, the forces of history were once again beginning to overtake the car-building industry. The collapse of the Soviet Empire created new opportunities for Fiat, which had long been in the forefront of licensing its designs to Eastern European car companies. The developing economic crisis in Italy also meant the market for microcars was back. Fiat answered both calls with a new Mini, built in Poland, imported to Italy, and reviving the familiar historic name, Cinquecento. The newest incarnation of the 500 carries a water-cooled four-cylinder engine instead of its progenitor's air-cooled vertical twin. But its body size is the same, and its mission is in every way the same as the old Nuovo Cinquecento, and indeed the Topolino, to supply nimble urban transport in relative comfort at low cost. As obvious as this goal seems, this is a market very few companies have approached effectively. Fiat's success at the game is a testament to the company's energy, intelligence, and foresight.